Yeah. Oh, it's broken. Unable to connect. Yeah, I thought so. It's fine. It's totally fine. We don't need to go on Insta. Alrighty. Alrighty, where's my chat here? Okay. What was I gonna do? We're just chilling today. Not doing anything in particular. There's one thing I want to try is sweep. I finally got it working. I had to build from source. I don't know if you guys were watching when I did it last stream, but I can just build it from source with yarn dev. And I gotta go on the platform. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my I don't know what I called it. My website, TechFriend app, TechFriend landing page. It's probably this one. Let's see. Yeah, sweet. We'll work on this while we're chatting. Whoa, why does this look different though? It's definitely not what the latest one looks like. Pull. What? Credential helper. Yo, Daniel says cybersecurity? Not really, just software development. Okay, this one's the wrong repository. So, oh my god, it's broken. Let me restart VS Code. And where is my website? TechFriend. Oh man. What I can do is watch my live stream to figure out what I called the repository. Let's have a look. Live, which one was it? I think it was the fine tuning. It would have been, I think it's this one. No. Maybe this one? Actually, because it has the LM Studio, so the live site is this. What happened to my keyboard? Oh, it died. Great. This keyboard has such shit battery life. Here we go. Has the LM Studio repository, so it has to be after I made that. I'm pretty sure I made that here. So it's either this one, this one, this one. It could be this one. Let's have a scrub through. I have no idea. I need to make an app that you could like search through the whole transcript of a YouTube channel and find where in what video they talk about a particular thing. That would be pretty interesting. Oh, here it is. Pretty sure this is it. Yeah, this is it. Okay, what is this repository called? I mean, where's the folder? I could just pull it as well. Oh, actually, that's a good idea. I'll just check my GitHub. for what it's called. Tech friend website. Yeah, tech friend website. I thought so, but I don't have that folder. Open folder. Tech friend. There is no tech friend website. Alright, whatever, we'll just pull it again, I guess. We'll clone it again. No big deal. And then we'll open that. Why is it not here? Oh, I freaking cloned it in here. Oops. I think I'm just gonna delete that folder. There it is. Alright. Gonna delete this old folder. Install our npm packages. Great, and then run that website. I think this is with Next.js. Yep, that looks like what it is. Okay, great. Now, so I wanted to try sweep to do some changes here. So I'm gonna just run it from, I had to build it from source. I couldn't build it from the global package on Windows. I don't know why, what the issue was. But yeah, I have it downloaded here, go there, and then I can just run it from here. And then we can make some changes with sweep. Let's try to do as little coding as possible. We'll just try to do everything with sweep. Actually, I just realized sweep will actually use GPT-4, so maybe we'll do the big changes with sweep, and we'll do small changes with I forgot what it's called, but there's I have continue. I want to use a local model with a I should tell the stream. So I'm live. Okay. What is this? I have a local model continue code GPT. I think this is a extension free trial. Oh, but it's a free visual code. I think we can use a local model with this, I saw, but I don't know. We'll try it out. I'm going to try this extension as well. See how it compares to continue is the other extension I use for coding. Okay, code GPT. Let's see what it looks like. Welcome to Code GPT 2.0. Ask me anything about coding. Seems like we have to sign in, or we can select a model, set connection. All right, let's sign up. Let's sign up with Google. Yo, Emperor Lover. I definitely don't recommend using a local model for any coding. Maybe Python, but other stuff, no way. Is it because it's just so bad? I think you can like do simple stuff. We'll see. Watch. Just let's see how it goes. I've had good luck with this Magic Coder 7B model. I think you can do some simple stuff. Let's have a look. So the one I like to use, Magic Coder SDS. I really like this one. Oh, hold up. I'm gonna make sure I don't use too many GPU offloads, because while I'm streaming it does make it a lot slower. Okay. Let's try add a new connection. Oh, we can't add a new connection. Oh, here we go. LM Studio. Oh, wow. That's so easy. Okay, I like that. I like that. Refactor selected code. Assistance. What's that? Looks like they have a lot of features here. Imperial Love says, yeah, just messing around, you could probably get something as long as you don't mind. It doesn't work most of the time. Yeah, I don't expect it to do amazing work, but I just wanted to do some basic code edits. Whoa, what are these assistants? AI models that help you with daily tasks. Okay, it's kind of like the GPTs, it seems. JavaScript expert, Swift expert. That's pretty cool. There's a React sandbox that they have running. Wow. That's pretty cool. Looks like a lot of features that I haven't seen other people use. Okay, there's autocomplete. When I click it, nothing happens. Okay, let's just do the chat. Real basic here. I've selected LM Studio as my provider. I don't know what would happen there. What's upload button? There's an upload button. Wow, there's a React sandbox. This experimental tool allows you to build React components. Either type a command or upload an image. Oh, wow, that's pretty cool. Oh, and then this is the hosted version. Okay, what do the settings do? Max tokens. Okay, I think we have a 16,000 token window, so let's do that. 16. Wow, it only goes to 6,000. I wonder why. Temperature, we'll bring it a bit lower. All right. First test. Yo, Ronald Duck, how you doing? Let's go to index HTML. Looks like this. My website looks like this. Kinda, let's do this. Okay, so what's something I want to change? Something simple. This, a robust system for offering scaling. So it seems like I need to select code and then chat with it rather than getting it to chat with the whole repository, which is kind of lame. I wish it could chat with the whole repository. Bloody Patch says, you found a job yet? I have picked up some more clients for my freelance work, but I don't have any like employment, like traditional employment. Okay. Let's see if we can chat with our repository. Let's say, I mean, this thing that I'm going to ask it now is as easy as me just doing the code wide search. But let's say, can you find where the text, I'm just going to paste this text, is located. Okay, fetch failed. Prevent errors. What? Oh, so it doesn't work with LM Studio. Set your LM Studio API key. Where do I do that? Sign in. I already signed in. Pro Drummer says, set the tokens to 11. I'm gonna need a spinal tap after AI code. It's a complete site for me. I've done GPT Engineer, pretty much made this whole site from scratch. That was pretty impressive, but it is a basic site. I have a job, but it's toxic. You should be happy. Yeah. I'd much prefer no job than a toxic job at the moment, where I don't have like high needs for money. But I guess if I did need a lot of money, I'd probably prefer a toxic job to no job. It sucks that I have to sign in to use this, but even when I sign in, it seems I still can't connect with LM Studio. Open. What's VS Code Insider? Open in VS Code. Okay. Doesn't do anything. Open in VS Code Insider. Also doesn't do anything. Doesn't seem to log me in. LM Studio doesn't seem to work. Okay, well, I might uninstall CodeGPT. Seems like I don't know, they don't have good LM Studio. Attachment? Attachment? What do I say? Integration. That's probably what I'm looking for. The one I normally use is continue. It's not the best, but it is something. It's cool. You can add context like this. Oh, there's a search. That's pretty cool. Reference to current div, add context, reference to terminal. All right, let's do search. Search for the phrase. Let's see what happens. Okay, I gotta set the right. I don't have magic coder here. I think it doesn't matter. Let's just do wizard coder. Error, connection refused. Oh, the server's not running. Try again. Oh, maybe that's why the code GPT didn't work? I don't know. Following is a Python code that recommends search and replace. Okay, no. There's also no way to... Oh, is there stop here? Cancel. Okay, that's good. You can cancel it. Real question. Do you think we'll still need apps long-term given advancements in AI? You think like everything could be action models? Yeah, theoretically. You just tell it what to do. No, I think there's still definitely going to be apps for pretty much forever. They might be less and less useful and will transition towards more AI interaction, like just talking to software. But if you look at all the old technologies, there's still like some uses for them. Like there's still some old terminal computers. I guess no one really uses punch cards, but I feel like apps would still be around. Like they're still faster to like click a button than to say something sometimes, you know what I mean? Okay. Let's see. Okay, so I have sweep. Did I run sweep? Yep. So this is sweep running locally, but I think it still might use OpenAI's API. Let's have a look. RC Erg says, how long until AI takes over developers? It's already like impacting developers a lot, but I don't think they'll like fully take over them ever. Like they'll still be humans until we get like AGI that's just better at humans at a lot of stuff. Humans will still be better. I mean, they still like are better in a lot of cases. Okay, let's give it the path to my repository. Can we do pwd? Yes, you can. In Windows, C. Oh, didn't mean blocked keywords, file limit. Okay. That's the repository settings. Let's make this bigger for everyone. One error. Unexpected C program. Oh, I don't know if this will be an issue. And then we give it instructions and it'll generate a plan. I don't know what. I guess this is probably just using their own internal API. Wait, repository setting, yeah. Okay, let's say I want to change the text. Oh, I didn't copy it anymore. It's a very simple request from the home page. No files added. Oh, so you gotta actually specify the files. Oh, that's cool. It has loaded my files though. I think it's just index.jsx. Still won't let me generate a plan. It's having an issue loading my home repository. That's a bit annoying. Alright, I'm gonna switch back to using a local model with continue. I think if I start a new search, I can just say the same thing. I want to change the text, that, and I just put the index, index HTML in the context, run that. Oh, actually, hold on, stop it. If I wanted to actually edit it, I just put the /edit, change the text that in the home page to be what do we want it to be? I mean, this is such a simple thing that would take me 2 seconds to do. A repository of presets for LM Studio to run local models. Index. Oh, you need to select code to be able to edit it with this. Makes it really. Alright, I'm just gonna make this change myself then. It's just, oh, it's not even in index HTML. It's probably app.jsx. Index.jsx. Okay. Robust. Or use with local models. Okay. I'll probably change the images here. And some other stuff. Yo, Emperor Love says the next version of CodeBuddy is going to have a code base understanding similar to Cursor where it automatically selects files and then applies changes. Awesome. But is that not out yet? Actually, that's a good point. We could have used Cursor or CodeBuddy. But they both have to use like GPT-4, right? CodeBuddy. I had some issues last time with CodeBuddy, but yeah. Is it not? I don't think it's public yet. No, it's not public. Do you have access to the latest Gemini model with huge context? No, I don't. Only in my local dev environment. I can totally get you super secret internal build access if you would like for next stream. I actually got access on their Discord. But I guess it's not the version that you're talking about with the... Here we go, VS Code, updated. We could try this. Anas, hey, how you doing? Let's try the latest CodeBuddy. How do can I just drag this in here? Probably have to load it like this. Install V6. The VS Code plugin in general is nowhere near the level of JetBrains, unfortunately. Damn. We'll have to wait another month. Not so long. That should be able to read your whole code base. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Gemini's 1 million context window is insane. This code base is really small. Like we wouldn't even need a full context window of that size. Okay, let's see. Can I add? No. Okay, so we can only do GPT-4 and stuff, which is fine. Like that's probably the best model. Okay, another of my favorite ways. Now this isn't a specific coding extension, but one of my favorite AI agents in general is Open Interpreter. And it's capable of doing a lot of stuff, like not just coding. So let's try that out. I think it'll be able to handle this. Actually, I don't know. We'll find out. Let's find out. So go into my folder, conda activate OI. Let's remove this so it's easier for y'all to see. JetBrains the GOAT. You use JetBrains as well. Interesting. Clouds in Oakland. Thanks for the share. Good to see you. Groq API is out. Really? Publicly? No, I haven't tried it. That's a good question though. We could make something with that. Groq API reference. API is deprecated. Console.groq. Oh shit, that's sick. What's the pricing? Do they have pricing? Console.groq.com. Wow, groq.com. Groq.com. Oh, here we go. API access. Complete safe through playground. Price. 70 cents per 10 cents per million. Oh, that's 7B. Oh, that's pretty good. The mixtral model is only 20 cents per million tokens. I like to use artificial analysis leaderboard. I don't know if they've integrated Groq yet. We'll have a look. Can we search Groq? Yes, they have. Okay. Groq 27 cents. But they'll probably have the fastest throughput, right? Yes, they do. The fastest throughput. By so much. 400 tokens a second. Context window is 33,000. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. That'd be cool. We could make some cool... I think for coding, something that fast would be really good for coding, right? It just gives you like, poof, this is the code changes, poof. And you can just like switch through them like really quickly. Like it'll give you a suggestion of a code change and you just press a button and it'll give you the next suggestion of your whole code change. And you can just like iterate through that and get like, iterate through like hundreds of suggestions a second. Well, not a second, but yeah. That's a cool idea. We could try. Could we try? Wait, could you link this? Is it OpenAI compatible? OpenAI compatibility? Yes, they are. So you could just hot swap it with like continue or something. Right? That's actually interesting. All right, let's sign up. I'm gonna sign up for Groq. Create an API key. Login. Context is too small. 33,000 is decent for what I want to do. That's pretty much like my whole code is like what 139 lines here in this file. So that's definitely less than 33,000 context. For bigger things, yeah, it's not enough. But for what I want to do, just for this test, I just want to see the speed. Like, can it give me the whole code suggestion in like less than 5 seconds? That would be crazy. Let's do open interpreter. I'll just do OI test. Oh, did you guys see that? I know you did. Interpreter base path. Yo, real agent AI, what's up? Let me get the open interpreter docs. Here we go. How do we set the base? Oh, they've made the docs look nice. Base path. Base. Wait, what the frick? Base. API base. Okay. So we need to set the base to be where's the base? Did they give us the base path? Oh, here we go. OpenAI compatibility. Got the API key. Maybe we can ask in their Discord. Oh, wait, here we go. Chat with our docs. What is, oops, base URL? We'll do a search in there. Base. Answer, I'm not sure. Base does allow base URL. Should we just say ask a question here and there? How many people did I have online? Enough. Hello. Is there a base URL I can use with OpenAI API to use SDK to use Groq? And then we'll also ask an open interpreter Discord. Anyone tried using Groq API with OI? Trying now on stream. Need to figure out the base URL, I think. Okay. We sent our feelers out. Hopefully someone responds. I'll do a search for Groq in the nothing. Does this only search a particular channel? I think so. Icky. Let's read their docs again. Oh, it's not safe. It's not safe on the docs. Oh wait, it could be here. Ah, here. Oh, excellent. Maybe. api.groq.com/v1. Let's try that. Interpreter. And then --API base. --API base. So put that in. I don't know if we need the v1. We'll try without the v1. What about the API key? Can't see that anywhere. API key, I think it's just the same way. API key. And copy my API key. Let's see if that works. Nope. Interpreter was spelled wrong. Interpreter. Oops, again. There we go. Oh. It seemed to maybe have worked. Let's see, what's the current working directory? We're unable to determine the context of the window. Whoa. What happened? Whoa. Looks like we got some error. Defaulting of 3000. Actually, we didn't actually set which model we want. Context window, token limit, max tokens. Continuing. We've got an error. Errors.chat. Error 403 error. Damn it. Yo, Mol, guess who's back? Molton. What's up, G? Oh, here we go. Oh, awesome, dude. The admin replied to me. Can they see my stream if they click on my thing? They can. Live on YouTube. Watch. Excellent. I don't know if they will, but you know, we here. Okay. Let's try the base path that the admin has suggested. Oh, we could have also... well, how does it know what model to pick as well? That's another question. Oh, shit. Continuing. You don't have access to GPT-4. Okay, I think we need to specify the model as well. Would you like to use GPT Turbo? No. Cancel. Cancel. Do you have any idea about .NET for API dev? Yeah, I did some C# .NET API dev before. Men's coding 24/7. Yes, it's a lifestyle. Anna says, I try an open interpreter but get error. Python work. Go to doc. What? What are you saying on us? What was I doing? Oh yeah, I think we need to set the model like this as well. So let's try that. Model. Paste this. Oh, that's definitely not what I copied. Oh, what I tried to copy. Okay. Now I want to use Mixtral. How do I do that? Did I say here model ID llama? Should we just do llama as a test? Or do they have the model IDs documented somewhere? Models, here we go. Perfect. Oh, they only have 2 supported models. That's fine. Let's do Mixtral. Boom. Come on, I hope this works. What's the current working directory? No. If you don't have access to OpenAI/Mixtral, you'll need to add a payment method and purchase credits for the OpenAI billing page to use GPT-4. Would you like to use 3.5 instead? Can I say no? What would happen if I say no? Okay. Seems like it's trying to use OpenAI still. Which is sad. Although the base is Groq. Damn. Invalid API key. Is it an invalid key? I think my key looks fine. Right? Should we make another key? Probably won't make a difference. It's definitely the right key. Settings, org ID, docs, visit, get the key, curl. Ooh, v1. Oh, so that's a base path. Chat OpenAI v1 completions. Mixtral instruct. Oh, their Mixtral model name looks different. Maybe we'll try that. Oh, holy shit, it worked. That was so fast. Okay. Oh, guys, I'm so excited. Well, I didn't even put a payment method in for Groq. So I don't know how much usage I get, or if it's free, or like what the deal is. I don't know. We'll just that's least of my concerns at the moment. Let's see if no one really cares that I'm on stream. That's fine. That's fine. I mean, they could be watching secretly. Let me know. Let me know if you're a new viewer of this stream. Please let me know you're here, so I can get a bit more excited. Okay, I'm just gonna be doing a really basic code change of this website I have here. Where is my website? Forgot where it was hosted actually. It is hosted on 8080. This is it. I'm going to be using Open Interpreter with Groq as the LLM. Yo, Ollie, thanks for reaching out. Okay, I'm using Open Interpreter with the new Groq API. Groq is the fastest inference we've ever seen for LLMs. We can get 400 tokens a second. So we should technically be able to do a code change for this thing in like less than 5 seconds. Actually, another thing, I'm going to change the context window to be 33,000. So I'm going to back out of this. Context window 33,000. Ollie says, I've been playing with API as well. Found you on their Discord. Oh, cool. Oh, you found, yeah, so thanks. Yes, exactly, Ollie. I was trying to see if anyone joined from that Discord message. Good to see you, Ollie. Thank you. Riley, thanks for sharing the the stream. All right, now I don't really know what I want to change here. Is this? Okay. Let's get it to add another card. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards in total. So it'd be like read index. Where's the file? src index. Read src index .jsx to analyze its contexts. Then edit the file so that there is another card with dummy data. There should be 5 in total. Okay, let's see if it adds another one. This should be super fast in theory. Let's see, 3, 2, 1, enter. That is pretty fast. That was pretty much instant. Code 1. Now the bottleneck is me reading this plan. Okay, so it's gonna read this. Okay, yep, read the file. It's gonna run this code to read the file, but there's an error, and then it's gonna fix it. We could run it on auto mode, so that way I don't have to keep typing, and then it'll be super fast, which would be interesting. What is happening? So this is the new code it's writing. It's just open square brackets. Okay, that's not great. All right, let's stop this. Let's try it with the continue extension. I think we can do it with the continue extension. So I'm gonna open continue. We can add a new model source and other OpenAI compatible API. I think we can auto detect. Whoa. Oh, and then here we add the base path to be what we just found out that our base path was, this one. Groq API. I was gonna call it Groq. And the model, we'll use Mistral again. I like Mixtral. Mixtro, Groq. Okay, that sounds pretty good. All right, let's see how that goes. So close. Oh, actually, I didn't add my API key. Can we get that again? How do we add the key? API key. API key. Oh, I lost my key. Actually, I have it in the console. It's just this. Boom. All right. Let's see if this works. Let's close this. Close this. Oh, do we still have that? Yes. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna make this a bit smaller. Make a new chat. I select the whole code, and then I can go Control-Shift-M, and then that puts the whole code in context like this. And I could be like, add a new card with dummy data, with a /edit at the front. And let's see, hopefully this, actually we need to select Groq. Why isn't Groq here? Why isn't Groq here? Okay, that's not good. Mixtro. Title Groq. For some reason Groq is not showing here. We'll delete one. I don't know why that is. It should show Groq provider Groq. Maybe we'll do OpenAI. Oh, there we go. Okay, guess that was what the issue was. We'll select Groq and we'll see. This should be really fast. 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4 seconds. In 4 seconds, we got the whole code edit difference. We'll have a look at the diff. Okay, that's not good. It's definitely messed it up. It's removed the commas at the end of each JSON thing. That is not good. Okay. Let's reject that. Let's try a smaller segment. Let's try maybe just, we'll just try adjust the projects. Control-Shift-M. I'll make a new chat. And we'll say, edit. Add a new element with dummy data. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds. And is the code compatible this time? Okay, it's good. It's kept the... Nice, it's added the dummy data. So we can accept this change. And then hopefully when I accept it, there'll be a new card here on the right. Let's see. Accept. Do we get a... Maybe we go to error. It's not loading at all. Yes, looks like it's not loading at all. Projects is not defined. Oh, okay, so it didn't... yeah. Produced an error again, unfortunately. Okay, we'll reset that. Another way this works, I'm pretty sure this extension also does like the code suggestions, so we can see how that would work and how fast that is, because it should be really fast with code suggestions as well. New line. We'll just start typing, enter. I don't know, is that how the suggestions work? Maybe we've turned it off. Okay, maybe it doesn't do suggestions. Maybe we could add a comment. Define a light project card. Ollie says it might be fast, but it's still Mixtro. Yeah, might have better luck with the Llama 70B. Yeah, we could try that. Okay, looks like we don't do auto suggestions with continue. I thought we did. I guess we don't. Edit highlighted code, ask about highlighted code. No. Oh yeah, okay. Guess it doesn't do suggestions. Okay. Yeah, good idea, Ollie. Let's try Llama 70B. So to do that, we can just go into the settings here. We'll keep Mixtro. We'll go Groq Mixtro, and we'll add another element, calling it Groq llama 70b, and then we've got to find out what the code for the model is. Creatiquisi says your image is so dark. It got that DC theme. Which one? Which image? Like my face or the? I don't know. Let me know. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? All right, let's try find out the llama 70b. It's probably this. Hey, llama 270b. I hope it's that. We'll find out. All right, llama 270b. We will load that up, and I think we can just no, we'll do it properly to make sure. Edit, add another element in projects with dummy data. Let's see. Super fast. Actually, it's a bit slower than Mixture was, but not too much slower. I think that's actually perfect this time. It's only added the data. Okay, llama 70b is clearly better at coding than Mixture, which I'm surprised. I thought Mixture would be better, but guess not. I guess Mixture is still just 7b model. So now let's look at the website, and we should have an extra card. Yep. Oh, perfect. We have an extra card. Obviously the image isn't working, but we have a dummy project. Perfect. So that actually worked really well, really fast. It did the edits in less than 15 seconds. I'm really impressed with that. If they later on add coding specific models, sorry about that, coding specific models, it'd be even better. Let's see if we can take the whole file into context now. What should we add? I don't know if it knows about React icons, moon and sun. Oh, I already tried to do that. I guess it didn't work. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna add the whole thing into context. I'm gonna be like edit, add a section above the cards with a title about tech friend, and a short description about a technology content creator. All right, let's see how fast it does that. The whole file in the context. Oh, you got GPT to give an opinion. That's funny. That was super fast. So it's removed that title. It's made a whole new component called about tech friend. That's really cool. I'm gonna accept that. I don't know why it changed this image here. Oh, for some reason it changed. Can we just reject this? I'm not too good with VS Code diffs. I'm not sure how we can like pick and choose. Does anyone know? How do I like click to add revert change? Oh, okay, cool. Revert that one. I kind of want to revert all of these, but keep this. I don't know, we'll just accept it for now, but it's not exactly what I wanted. So yeah, we do have that section, and it didn't make too many breaking changes. It did do 2 breaking changes actually, but not too many, just 2. But yeah, the speed is obviously where this shines. It might not be the smartest model, but it's definitely the fastest model. I mean, fastest host. So I'm gonna do some more tests with Open Interpreter using Groq. There's one thing that I wanted to do that I'll do now, and that is, I think one of the greatest uses for Open Interpreter is actually like managing your file system. So let me show you my process for doing that. So I'm gonna run it again with with Groq, but we'll use llama this time. What's the context window for llama? 4K. Oh, dude, that sucks ass. That super suck ass. I can't believe a 70B model only has 4K context. That seems super shit. Okay, we add the llama model and start that. Now in Windows there's these folders that get made that I don't really know too much about. So we're gonna have Open Interpreter do some analysis on them, and they're in this location, c-users-aj. So I'm gonna be like, write a Python script to analyze the folders in this location and return the top 15 folders with largest size. Make sure to view hidden folders prefixed with dot. Alright, let's see. Boom. I think this is actually not as fast as it could actually go. Like, that didn't feel like 400 tokens a second. I feel like there's some bottleneck from Open Interpreter itself, or maybe, I don't know, something else. But anyway, it's still pretty fast. It's definitely faster than I could read it, and I'm probably not even going to bother reading it, so we'll just run that. I mean, I don't recommend running it. It could be very bad. It could be a super virus. Get file size. I mean, it looks fine. But yeah, there's an error. There's a problem with the escape sequence. So to fix this, you can try using a raw string. Alternatively, you can also use forward slashes instead of backslashes. Use forward slashes. Can I just use this on my internship? You could try. Write the whole code. Yeah, man, Llama's context model is so short that it just doesn't want to do big things. It's gonna lose memory for a lot of stuff. Okay, but now it's wait. I hope it's not traversing through every single file. It actually could be. No. Okay, yeah, I think it is. Damn it. We need to do that again. I'm gonna copy this. Go to it again, and I'm gonna be like, make sure to only analyze folders. Do not traverse through subfolders, because that's when it gets really slow. Criticussy, what am I working on today? I was testing the Groq API with a bunch of AI agents. Right now this is Open Interpreter. On the back end we have Groq running Llama 70B, so it's really fast and pretty cheap. I mean, it's actually free because I haven't put in my credit card details, but I'm gonna run this even though the last bit isn't code. Get it to rewrite the code. I tested this with a local 7B model and it was actually pretty good. Get folder size. Yeah, no, I don't think this is. I think this is going through each file. Okay, let me show you guys. Let me show you the comparison with a really smart coding model that I have locally. Let me just copy. Oh, I don't have it. I have it running on LM Studio here. It's Magic Coder 7B. So this is completely free now because it's running locally. I can go interpreter -- local now, and then ask it the same thing. Criticusy says, which LLM is the most reliable for code, paid/free? GPT-4 is definitely the best model for code and everything else. But yeah, it's paid. The best free one, for me, it's been Magic Coder 7B. My graphics card is a 2080 Ti, so I can't really run anything more than a 7B efficiently, so yeah. Do not analyze subfolders, as this will take too long. Use Python to get parent main folder size. Okay, so now we're asking Magic Coder. It's going to be a bit slow because I've limited the GPU offload to be only 4 layers. I've done it on Max before and it was way faster, but yeah, with 4 layers we get about, I don't know, 2 to 3 tokens a second. Harif, hey, how you doing? Tech Anime, thanks for the like. And yeah, so I did a very similar thing like this before on a different folder, and Magic Coder was really good at doing it. Criticusy says, is Magic Coder on Hugging Face? Yes. Which version do I recommend? Yeah, I use SDS 6B. How do I change this? SDS 6B. Sorry, SDS 7B Q8. If you look at the eval plus leaderboard, which is what I go off, you can find other models that are good at coding. But yeah, Magic Coder is the best 7B one. Whoa, what's this? This is new. Speechless Code Llama 34B. Okay. Didn't have that before. Wizard Coder is also very good. But yeah, these 33B models, sorry, are just a bit slow for me to run on my computer, unfortunately. Yeah. Oops, what happened? Okay, so it's still writing the code. Use pathlib instead of OS to get hidden files as well. Sort the directories in size by 10. Sounds pretty good. Let's run that. I think this is better code than what Llama 2 was giving. Harv's doing good. What are we doing? We were testing out the Groq API with a few agents, but yeah, unfortunately Groq only has either Llama 2 70B or Mixtral, and they're not great with coding. So now I'm testing kind of the same thing but with a local model, Magic Coder. Unfortunately it's so much slower, but I think it's writing better code. Julian says, say Alhamdulillah. I just said it. Null is a big fan from the Philippines. I don't know why your message. Oh, here we are. Thanks, Null. Good to see you. Shout out to the Philippines. This looks like, I don't know if it's stopped or it's just running the code. It should show me what line it's running. I don't know. I'm a bit suspect. It's a bit suspect. Oh yeah, it's because I sneezed. Yeah, Alhamdulillah is like kind of like bless you. So Muslim people say it if you sneeze. Does that mean all in good health? I think it means like praise to the Lord or something. Praise be to God, yeah. I don't know if this is stuck. Should we run it again? I want to try run it again with a bigger GPU offload to see if it goes a bit faster. Let's try 10. All right. Oops. Oh, it's still. Hold on. Stop. It's gonna make a new thing. All right, let's try it with the new. Oh, I didn't copy, bro. Okay. Try with the new GPU offload. Should be a bit faster, hopefully. Criticusy says, I'm surprised your YouTube channel is not huge yet. Your content is amazing. Thank you, man. Yeah, maybe I'm probably not doing like SEO and stuff properly, or I don't know. It's growing, like every day it's growing slowly, so just gotta keep at it. It'll get bigger. Oh, we didn't start a server. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, it's still about the same speed. Is that what you tell your GF? If I had one, crying face emoji. John Powell says, "Gonna try A/B testing with clickbait titles and thumbnails." Yeah, I know that'd definitely help. I don't know. I just don't really like the whole algorithm optimization. I'd rather just make good content and then focus on making better content. It feels cringe, yeah. I'll definitely like do that at one point, but I think I'm just gonna focus on trying to make better content initially. And then maybe at one point I can outsource it. But it's going okay. How many subs are we at? 2.56? It's decent. 4 people watching the lives. I feel like my stuff is pretty niche as well, like this preset tutorial. I feel like a very small amount of the population even uses LM Studio, let alone wants to know a preset tutorial. Top folders, yes. Damn, it doesn't actually print the... You could put Subway Surfers in the corner. Capture the Gen Z audience. True. That does work on TikTok. Yeah. I love the ability to use local. Yeah, same. It just saves so much money. Okay. I mean, I guess I'll let that run for a bit. Let's see if I had anything else on my stream backlog. What is this? Fine-tune open source models that outperform GPT-4. Lora Land. A collection of 25 fine-tuned 7B models that consistently outperform base models by 70% and GPT-4 by 4 to 15% depending on the task. Lora Land's 25 task specialized large language models are all fine-tuned with Predibase. Okay, so it's pretty much a advertisement for Predibase for less than $8 and serve from a single A100 GPU using Lorax, our open source framework that allows users to serve hundreds of adapter-based fine-tuned models on a single GPU. What are the tasks that it's better at? Like SQL generation, TLDR news, Ag news, COVID-19, Magic Coder. Oh, the Magic Coder is actually not as good by a lot. Minus 645. That's probably my only use case. Still pretty cool though in general. Good to see says, I'm kind of bummed when I saw Mistral went closed source overnight. Yeah, they got money from Microsoft and then they just, yeah, kind of went closed source. They're not completely closed source. They just like, you know, closed source their best model, which is like kind of makes sense. Like they have to make money somehow. They can't just open source everything. But yeah, it's still a bit sad for us that just want everything for free. I don't know if this is working still, but I'm gonna assume it is. Let's go on Twitter. Oops. Do you have Groq API? Yeah, John Powery. I guess you missed it, but I was using it before. It's actually super fast, but unfortunately it's only got like Mixtral and Llama 2 70B models, so they're not the smartest models. They don't have the biggest context window, but the speed of Groq is amazing for sure. We could do some more Groq edits. I don't know what to edit here. So I have continue, which is my VS Code extension that you can load any model with, and I've loaded Groq with it, and it's just super fast. It's great. Is it ASIC hardware repurposed for LLM? I'm not sure what ASIC hardware is, but yeah, like they use, I think it's something different to a GPU. They have their own specific chip that takes advantage of like the cache in like CPUs kind of. Yeah. So yeah, I was just editing this. We got it to add another card with a dummy project. We're like, I'm gonna say to edit the about tech friend component so that it is in a card similar to the other cards, but full width. So we gotta select the code. I wonder if it'll know. Edit this. Let's see. Boom, and just like that, in like 2 seconds, it's made the changes because Groq is so fast. Dios, is this cursor? No, this is VS Code with the continue extension, and we're using the Groq API on the back end, which is super fast, but unfortunately it's not as smart as GPT-4. because it's using Llama 70B. D asks, where can I find this? The extension is called continue.dev, but you can also just search for it in VS Code. Fresh Test says, any advice to stay productive and code leak code every day? Yeah, I guess that's just the issue of motivation. There's a very multifaceted problem. I think a big part of it is understanding your dopamine cycles. So dopamine is essentially the neurotransmitter responsible for motivation, as far as I'm aware, and it's kind of like you kind of get set in certain ways where dopamine gets released based on certain triggers, and you have to work to kind of reprogram that if you want to make changes in habits. First says, are you into neuroscience a lot? I wouldn't say a lot, but yeah, definitely. I think like the understanding of neuroscience definitely helps you. Like I watched Andrew Huberman, I'm sure a lot of people do, and like I learned a lot about dopamine through him, but I already knew it before. Yeah, research into that. I think that'll helps you like develop habits that you want. Another good book about habits is Atomic Habits. That's probably one of my favorite books of all time. Because yeah, personally, I think motivation is definitely one of the biggest things that I would like to improve about myself as well. Okay, I think that open interpreter thing just is not working the way I want it. I'm gonna leave that. But yeah, once you get an understanding of that, you can definitely improve your ability to be motivated by, you know, things that you want to be motivated by. Can't you just get the AI to leak code for you? Yeah, you could, but it kind of defeats the purpose of learning, you know, algorithms and stuff. Fresh Test says, so would you say a dopamine detox would help delete TikTok, Instagram, etc.? Yeah, it'll definitely help, but it might just be like, it might not be for everyone. I think like dopamine detox, so you delete everything, but you just got to make sure you spend your time doing what you want, and it'll still be a struggle. It's not a solution that's going to work every time. But yeah, so if you remove all those, you know, dopamine depleting tasks like TikTok, etc., you will have more dopamine for the more mundane, basic tasks. Not straight away, it takes some time, but yeah, and then there's also the danger of like the rebound effect as well with a detox. I think a more gradual approach is good. Real Agent AI says, read Hooked by Nir Eyal if you're into the dopamine triggers science. Yeah, is that the one where they oh no, it's not the one. There's this one about how they've designed like software to be more addictive. It could be this one. But they talk about like a cycle of trigger, hook, etc. Right, I got the whole book here? Or I think it's just a sample. Yeah. I think I missed a message on Instagram. I mean, YouTube. But yeah. I want to stay streaming for a little bit more, but I pretty much finished everything I wanted to do. I'll stay around, answer some questions. Let me know what you guys feeling. It is the one, yeah, I thought so. I feel like I missed a message on YouTube. Can't remember what it was. I'm gonna try to find it. I'm gonna close these. I think my computer's overheating. Which Mistral LLM do you use locally, and can it do any decent coding? No, I don't use Mistral locally. I'll show you the ones I use locally. I think I already told you the Magic Coder is the best coding one that I have locally. Yeah, Magic Coder SDS. I got i.science's one because the blokes one didn't work. There's also Open Code Interpreter. That's a bit of a new one, but apparently that one's pretty good at coding as well. Yeah, they're the top two. DeepSeek Coder is pretty good, and Wizard Coder is also pretty good, but Wizard Coder is 33B, so it's super slow on my computer. I think this Nos Hermes Mixtral is actually a pretty good Mixtral model, but yeah, I don't really use it that much. But yeah, thanks guys for the questions. I'll stick around for a bit longer. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to answer. Otherwise, I'll probably wrap up pretty soon. Apparently Elon's saying that his new PC requires him to give their AI access to his computer. Community knows it is still possible to set up the latest version of Windows without a Microsoft account. Yes, it is. However, it's not possible in the same simple way it used to be in Windows 10, but rather requires some tricky workarounds. Dude, community notes is pretty sick. A lot of people hate what Elon's done, but I love what he's done to Twitter. Nahari says, how often do you use AI? Every day. I talk to GPT-4. Did I try Gemini Pro 1.5? No, I don't have access to the 1 million context window model. Unfortunately, that one's very cool. Can't wait till we get like the best of all worlds, like the speed of Groq, the context of Gemini, and the smartness of GPT-4 all in one model. Be amazing. Jim Buckley, what's up? You just joined. What am I doing? I'm just chilling right now, pretty much wrapping up the stream. But if you were here before, you would have saw I tried the new Groq API. It's like the fastest AI, pretty much, like 400 tokens a second. I tried it out with some agents I have, and yeah, that was pretty much the main thing that I did this stream. And then just Q&A, answering questions, and yeah, I'm probably gonna wrap up in the next few minutes. So yeah, if you have any questions around technology and AI, please let me know, Jim. Otherwise, thanks for dropping by. You can see, actually you can see this whole stream and my past streams on my YouTube. I have all of the past recordings here. Just click the live tab on my YouTube Tech Friend. You'll be able to see all of them here. How often am I live? I try to go live at least 2 times a week. I don't have like a schedule yet, but I will be working on getting a schedule. But yeah, I've been pretty consistent going live at least 2 times a week for the past like few months. Yeah. Have I done much freelancing related to LLM implementations and strategy? Yeah, definitely have been doing that quite a bit recently. It's a very exciting space to be in. Very new, evolving rapidly. My YouTube Tech Friend? No, just Tech Friend. TECHFREN. YouTube at Tech Friend. If you're on TikTok, there's a link tree in my bio that should have the YouTube link in there, as well as a Discord link. If you want to join the Discord, Twitch link, Twitter link. Yeah, it's all in my link tree in my bio on every platform. Do you need new grads to familiarize themselves with implementing AI in their projects? Yeah, they should. Definitely don't be avoiding well, not implementing AI, but just knowing how you could use AI. Not every project needs AI, but it's definitely such a strong tool to not be using, especially as a software engineer. If you're not getting AI to like help you write code, you're probably going to be a lot slower than your peers. And it's becoming more and more the case, like as these AIs get smarter and faster. Yeah. How to get OpenAI cheap? So I don't know. I think they give out grants, but yeah, I'm not really too sure. But yeah, if you want to find like the different prices of models, I recommend artificialanalysis.ai. You can like sort by price. And yeah, you can see like a good middle ground, maybe like Mixtral. Like what's the cheapest Mixtral host? Deep Infra is hosting Mixtral at 27 tokens a second. You might as well use Groq because you get faster speed. So Groq could be like the cheapest for performance model at the moment. But honestly, yeah, like GPT-4 is just so much smarter than everything. Do they have like Wizard? No one's hosting Wizard or DeepSeek, which is interesting. Or maybe they just don't have them on this leaderboard. So now, is there a need to know info, or AI could just be crutch? AI is definitely a crutch. Knowing the info is great because like a lot of the time AI could be telling you something wrong, and if you don't know that it's wrong, it could lead to problems. I think definitely knowing stuff is good. Also, like knowing what to ask, knowing what question to ask is also important as well. Is OpenAI cheap? No, they're not cheap, but they're not too expensive. So GPT 3.5 is like almost it's more than 2 times the price of Mixtral on Groq. And it's way slower and half the context window. But it's probably a smarter model. So yeah, you got some trade-offs. You gotta find what is the right tool for your needs. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to sub to my YouTube if you want to see the live streams in the past. You can do that, or in the future. Make sure you're subbed. And yeah, I'll catch you next time. I'll be making clips from all of these streams, and you'll see them on my TikTok or Instagram or YouTube. Hope you have a good day, night, wherever you are.